Guys, so you might need to learn how to graph a histogram, not on the IB exam, but maybe for your IA, or it would just help you wrap your head around some data that you were trying to look over. So you're definitely already familiar with a bar chart, right? A histogram looks similar to a bar chart, but a bar chart is suitable for discrete data, right? So there's gaps between each data point. A histogram is more appropriate for continuous data where there are no gaps and all of the data falls into class intervals. So let's work on making one. Okay. Let's talk about tomato plants in my garden. Okay. So you're going to open a list and spreadsheet and we're going to label the column heights. Heights of tomato plants. Okay. And then in this column, I'm going to add the heights of all the tomato plants that I just measured right this second. So I've got 78 centimeters, 82 centimeters, 85 centimeters, 90 centimeters, 96 centimeters, 71 centimeters, 82 centimeters, 77 centimeters, 98 centimeters, and then 100 centimeters. Okay. And then I want to visualize this data on a histogram. Why do I want to visualize it on a histogram and not a bar chart? Because a histogram contains continuous data, right? So you could have a tomato plant that's anywhere from 70 to 100 centimeters usually. And there are data points that can fall anywhere within that continuum. It's not just discrete categories like how many computers do you have in your house? That is discrete data. Heights of things, measurements of things, those are going to be continuous data. So let's go to menu. You're going to want to have a box highlighted on the spreadsheet, or this piece here is not going to come up, right? You're going to go to 3 for data, then you're going to go to 9 for quick graph. If you don't have a box on the spreadsheet highlighted, this part is going to be gray. So you're going to want to make sure that that's available. And then heights has been put along the x-axis, and your calculator kind of made you like a bar chart, right? A dot plot. And here on the dot plot, we want to change it to a histogram. So you're going to go to menu, plot type, histogram. And that puts everything into little bars, right? And then you want to make this a little more easy to read. So you're going to go to plot properties, histogram properties, bin settings, and you're going to set it to an equal bin width. Let's make the x-axis counting increments of maybe 20 centimeters. That could be a little better. And then alignment, maybe like 60. And there we go. That looks a lot better, but we can't see everything. So let's go to Window, Zoom, Data. And that gives me a good idea of what everything looks like. Okay, so I have my 3 categories, and this is the number of plants or the frequency of plants that fit into each category. And that's how you make a histogram on your TI NSpire. Get out of here. Stop. I want to stop the video.